Oh, I got it right to myself. Oh, going up? What floor?
Nine.
Excuse me, I'm in an elevator too, guys.
Mommy?
No.
Why does it go so fast when it starts?
Of course. Alright. I'm gonna do a challenge. Let's see how long it takes me to get both in full indicators to myself. Let's see how long. We will see how long.
Deck 9, Lido.
These things are always busy as fuck. They're closed by works. I like that. Alright. This is a very nice cave shadow.
Deck 11.
Fuck, I lost my words. This is a very nice cave layout. Oh, for fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. Oh, got a car. Got a car.
Oh, come on.
Never mind. These things do not have mad chimes. They have Schindler marine chimes. All right. And I did just come on here, so maybe. Like the way it lights up like that. I think these are mad ones. Yeah, I heard a mad chime on one of the other banks, and these are literally mad lanterns. But I think this one's decommissioned. I'm not sure. Yeah, it says it's on 2, but it's down there. All right, is this one coming up? I think this one's coming up. All right. Yeah, that chime is much better. Oh, this is the one on independent service. It's on. It's on independent service. Hold on, I got it. Yes, I got this one. Let's go. This is the one on independent service. See, this is on independent service. Come on, elevator. Come on. Thing, stop. Move. Alright, yeah, this one's on independent service. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'll be right back. I'll try to get a ride.
Deck 10, Panorama.
Why the fuck are we stopping if it's on independent service? Is this thing on independent service, or is it just broken? Look there, you can see the entire water park. Finally, we're going fucking down.
Deck 9, Lido.
Oh, okay, we're gonna stop. All right. All right, here we go. All right, eventually this thing will stop acting up. Got 2 indicators. All right, come on, elevator. Okay, well, at the rate that this is going, we'll go on to 3. The fuck, dude? This one's messed up. It's messed up. This one's messed up.
It is, but why you own it if it's messed up?
Because I am. Did you just call me an asshole? I'll tell you why I'm on it. Because unlike you, I'm an elevator enthusiast. Fucking finally. I pressed
Deck
8.
8, Veranda.
I pressed 8 on it. Alright. Yeah, it's messed up. Why are you on it if it's messed up? I don't know. Maybe because I'm an elevator. Yeah, unlike you, I'm an elevator enthusiast. Oh, we got this awesome view.
Deck 3, lobby.
I'll be right back and I'm gonna film and hold on. There we go. This one's messed up. It's not an independent service, it's just messed up. Alright, anyways, I'll be right back and I'll film the other ones. Alright, we got an internal car. This one goes up to 12. We're on 12. There's usually a shuttle elevator up here. Just these two. They go up to 12. 1. See if I can get a non-stop ride. Out of all cars, 6 cars into this one. Oh. What floor? 4. Just let me take this here. These things are pretty nice. Just need to die down on the business.
Deck 4, Atlantic.
Alright. In that case, we'll get a cab. This is actually a pretty damn nice cab.
Deck 1, Riviera.
Oh, it's gonna go down to 0. Alright. Yeah, there's a separate call button for the 12th floor. This one's decommissioned. Actually, I don't know if it's decommissioned. It might just be. I think it's broken. Right there is where the scenic elevators are supposed to go. Alright, that one's down at 0. There's a high, this is high. Oh, hello. These are mad BP buttons on a cruise ship.
Deck 3, lobby.
These are very mad BP buttons.
Going up?
Look at that. Look at that. Alright, that's it. This is the bank that goes up to 10. I just like over.
Deck 10, Panorama.
Sorry.
Should I film like this?
Deck 9, Lido.
Thank you so much. Awesome.
Deck 7, Empress. Deck 5, Promenade.
Promenade.
Deck 4,
For fuck's sake.
Deck 3, lobby.
Oh, excuse me.
What goes somewhere in there?
This is going down.
I know. Oh, it's hot in here.
Deck 2, main.
Why does it have a mad chime out there?
They pay you good money for that.
I've been fucking 2.5 minutes.
2.5
Deck
minutes.
1,
Take it to the.
Riviera.
Yeah. And this was just coming down from the 9th floor.
Wow.
And actually the 10th. And we're on 1. I've already said sail. This one's fucking decommissioned or broken. Oh, for fuck's sake. Smells like feces. Here's a map of the ship. This is the bank that I take. Because this is my muster station. Right, well, all the cars are going up. They're all going up. Alright. So in that case, I'll be right back. I'll pause and we'll come back. I'll come back. Please do not worry, as I've only been waiting here for fucking 30 minutes. We're stopping at 3, yep. This one doesn't talk either. Jesus Christ. How is this all gonna stop? Why are these so busy though? And why the hell is one of them broken too? Alright, I got it to myself again. What do you see up there? Hi. I'm wearing my ThyssenKrupp hat. We're at 10. Alright. In that case, I'll just end it up here. Well, here we are at the bank that only goes up to 9. Oh, how's that chime? Bank. And now it's empty.
Oh shit. No, don't close it yet. Thank you.
What floor?
3. Are you making YouTube videos?
Yeah. It's just my hobby.
I really fell in the pool. My face is mad dry.
Deck 3, lobby.
My phone is dry. It feels like ash and salt.
And this bank's not that busy. I don't think. Oh, but I'll speak to you soon. Alright.
Deck 1, Riviera.
Deck 1. Going up? What floor?
Hey, how you doing?
9?
That's good. Ay.
Deck 5, promenade.
Promenade. Promenade.
He's way down on our floor. Oh, that's right. So each one has their own.
These are Mad BP buttons. Sucks how these things are fucking mad.
Deck 9, Lido.
Alright, I'll take it down to 3. Have a nice one. I just close the door on them. This is one of the things I like about cruise ship elevators. The door close button has never not worked. So you can close the door on a million people.
Deck 3, lobby.
Deck 3, lobby.
It says 3, but.
Alright, that's it.